everybody, thank you for joining us yet again for another video. So we just finished cutting these two properties right now. So we cut two properties that they're neighbors, so we did a 2-for-1 here. Check it out. Here's the front of this lawn and the front of this lawn right here. So we cut both of these properties right now, left and right here. So we're doing a 2-for-1 today, and we're gonna show how we join the lawns, because since they're neighbors, they in a way share a lawn. So we mow it as if it's just one lawn. So check out our process, see how we do it, and enjoy the video. It's kind of hard to see because the drone shots are so high above, but what I want everybody to see out there is that check out the lawn. Look at the grass. Look at that. No grass clippings, guys. We do our best to make sure that we have no grass clippings, and we modify our machines so that we don't leave any grass clippings on the lawn. We leave them nice and clean, and check it out for yourselves. Let's get back to the video. All right, so we just about finished up with the cut. So just check out, I'm gonna do a couple of the drone shots, check out the end result, how it came out, and it's looking really nice. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, we would appreciate it if you subscribe, left like for the video, and comment how you think the property came out. And yet again, thank you for watching. We hope everyone out there has a beautiful day, and take care, and until next time.